At Chamberlain, we know becoming an NP takes more than knowledge. It takes hands-on practice. That's why we offer our Immersion Skills event, 2-day in-person trainings during course NR 509, right before your practicum. With 130 plus years of nursing excellence and the nation's #1 largest MSN program, we're here to help you build confidence, master essential skills, and step into your practicum ready to lead.
Some examples of the skill stations that students will experience include the OB-GYN skill stations, where students have an opportunity to have hands-on experience with a pelvic exam, a prostate exam, a breast exam, for example. And we also have various other stations, such as the EKG stations. We have an ortho station, dermatology station.
It really concreted a lot of the assessment skills that we've learned.
That helps us with the practicum, and the objective to that is that we get lab skills exposed to doing assessments like breast, prostate, those things that you can't clearly do online. I got to manipulate a mannequin as opposed to the first time doing it on a human being.
Well, it's a great opportunity for networking for the students because they are meeting other students from across the country. And you just make that connection here at the Immersion. You get to know your classmates on a more personal level.
I think it's really important to make those connections. It was really cool to interact and meet some of our fellow students and colleagues.
We're all advanced practice nurses, and we're here to support them on their journey.
For students at the end of their MSN program, Chamberlain also offers an NP Intensive Review, an exclusive in-person 2-day event designed to reinforce your knowledge and sharpen your test-taking skills. The Intensive Review brings everything together, reinforcing your online studies and giving you the support, structure, and hands-on preparation you need to sit for your nurse practitioner board exams.
The important tips are pointed out, things that you'll need to know for your boards. The intensive weekend has been phenomenal. When we got here, everything was in a nice condensed module.
The different topics that were under review are topics like endocrine, integumentary, musculoskeletal, cardiovascular, some antibiotic therapies and indications for that. It's a great complement to this past term's course modules and content, and it takes a deeper dive into what I really needed to know for the boards. It's extremely comprehensive.
And I think it's preparing me to perform well on my boards because he's able to condense a lot of dense information into simplified ways for us to actually have it in our toolbox.
We are here to provide excellent care to you on your journey of becoming an advanced practice nurse.
This is more than just practice. It's preparation for your future. You've got this, and we've got you.